All right, guys, for your banded split stance, high to low alternating press with a reach, we're gonna go high anchor point with our band. You can use a band that has a handle. You can use a strength band attached up here. Obviously, you can use a cable machine as well, whatever you have available to you. If you're using a band with a handle, I personally prefer to have the handle come underneath the armpit. It's a little bit of rubbing in here. As you can see, my arm's a little red. I find it much more comfortable than rubbing on the outside of the arm. Up to you for the most part. Okay, so I'm here. I'm gonna get into a good split stance position. From here, slight double chin. I want to take big breath and I want to stack that thorax on top of the pelvis. Exhale, let the lower ribs just naturally come down, and without losing any height, just kind of pull the bottom or the lower rib cage back towards your spine. Get that good kind of stack position. And you're going to slightly rotate the pelvis. Wow, words are hard sometimes. Okay, so just from the side real quick, if I'm here, I'm just going to like pull back the chin slightly, breath in, exhale, bring the rib cage down, and just without losing any height, pull it back and slight posterior pelvic tilt. Nice stack position here, gonna be able to rotate better. Okay, so from here, we're in that split stance position, reaching forward with the non-loaded arm, and breath in, and I'm gonna exhale and I'm gonna press. I'm gonna pull back my non-weighted arm, and I'm trying to get as much rotation as I possibly can as I'm pressing forward. Gonna breathe in on the way back. Again, reaching as far forward as I can here, reaching far back as I can here, and then exhale. Okay. Now, one thing to keep in mind here, it's still important with the non-loaded arm, but really important with the loaded arm is that when I have you go back like so, I still, just as if I was having you do kind of a bent over row, I want to make sure you're retracting the scapula when you get back here and you stay nice and tall with this chest and you're in this position here as opposed to this position with the shoulder dumping forward, elbow high. I want to pull the chest back, squeeze that shoulder blade back towards your spine. Boom. Elbow should be below the shoulder, not equal to or above. Okay? Same thing basically with this one as well. As I'm coming back here, might as well have good habits. I don't want to start doing this. Okay? Guys, that is your banded split stance, high to low alternating press with a reach.